So finally, Epic Games Store have released their official statement regarding why Conan Exile was not given for free on 2nd of July, and this official statement many of the gamers would not like. So this is your boy Sumit Charismatic. Let me show you what was the official statement which Epic Games Store made regarding Conan Exiles. So the official statement given by the Epic Games Store states as, and I quote, "The Epic Games Store team has decided that Conan Exile will not be free but will be available for purchase on the store at a later date." So the date has also been not announced and it is still in the coming soon state in the Epic Games Store, which suggests that they're still in the confusion whether they want to give this game for free or make this game available as a purchase. So a lot of confusion is going around there regarding this game, and Epic Games Store are currently in a big dilemma. So like you, I'm also pretty much confused what really happened. Why Conan Exile was removed at the last moment from the Epic Games Store? What could have happened? The production house, which is Funcom, made the call that this game would be free or not, or whether Steam had something to do with it. Now let me tell you that this game is available on Steam at around $10 to $12. So it's not a big game. Epic Games Store could really afford this game to be given for free. So it's not something Epic Games Store has decided. I think it's not their call. Either the production house or the Steam have something in it, because they might have pulled out this game from getting free, and now Conan Exile is available on Epic Games Store as a purchase. So you have to purchase this game, and coming future I don't think so this game would be free on Epic Games Store or not. So there are a lot of theories going around whether Steam did this call or whether the production house did this call, but whatever happened, something has happened, because Epic Games Store taking this decision and making this official statement out is really concerning, because as a gamer I hope that this free game festival from Epic Games Store doesn't stop, because Steam doesn't give any free game. They just give a lot many game with discounted prices, but Epic Games Store on the other hand gives free game. So, and I really hope that this free game journey never stops. So whatever has been done, there are a lot of mystery theories going around. I am researching about it and I will let you know what are exactly these theories and who is to blame, the production house Funcom or Steam. So hopefully like this video. I know there are a lot of questions rather than answer, but let me research about it, and if any update I get regarding this, I will let you know. So see you in the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing to my channel, because all the Epic game news, game stuff, free game news will always be up on my channel. And comment below whether you were excited about Conan Exile or not, and whether you were disappointed because this game was removed from the Epic Games Store. What were your exact feeling? Join this journey, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe button. See you in the video. Bye bye, take care, keep gaming.